Hi students, in the previous recorded session we discussed a prose. Today in this class we shall be discussing about a poem by name Coromandel Fishers, written by Sarojini Naidu. You know who Sarojini Naidu was? Yes, Sarojini Naidu is also known as the Nightingale of this country. Here, Sarojini Naidu belonged to the era of struggle when India was struggling for independence. We got independence in the year 1947. She belongs to that era where she saw freedom struggle with her own eyes, and she was also the first woman president of Indian National Congress. Here, they have given a small introduction. Let me first read it. Sarojini Naidu was a great poet, patriot, politician, orator and administrator. Here, the word orator. The orator means one who delivers a very nice speech or one who speaks very fluently. It's nothing but an orator and administrator. After independence, she became the governor of Uttar Pradesh. She was born on February 13, 1879 in Hyderabad. Her father, Dr. Aghornath Chattopadhyaya, was a scientist. Her mother, Mrs. Varada Sundari, was a Bengali poet. Sarojini Naidu had her early education in Hyderabad and higher education in England. In this poem, Coromandel Fishers, Sarojini Naidu describes the life of fishermen. The leader of the fishermen is giving a call to his comrades to start their work early in the morning. Here, Coromandel is a coast in southern part of this country, that is India, southern part of India. It's a coast. First, let we read the poem. Rice brothers. See, after rice on the page number 110, they have given comma. Rice, brothers, rice. The wakening skies pray to the morning light. The wind asleep in the arms of the dawn like a child that has cried all night. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free to capture the leaping wealth of the tide, for we are the sons of the sea. No longer delay, let us hasten away in the track of the seagull's call. The sea is our mother, the cloud is our brother, the waves are all our comrades all. What though we toss at the fall of the sun, where the hand of the sea god drives? He who holds the storm by the hair will hide his breast our lives. Sweet is the shade of coconut glade and scent of the mango grove, and sweet are the sands at the full moon with the sounds of the voices we love. But sweeter, O brothers, the kiss of the spray and dance of the wild foam's glee. Row, brothers, row to the edge of the verge where the low sky meets with the sea. The words, glossary, that's meanings, the new words that you will be learning today in this class is, first word is catamaran, means a boat with two parallel hulls like two boats are joined together. Leaping with the wealth of the tide means wealth found in the sea. Which is the wealth found in the sea? It's the fish. Yes. Seagull, it's name of a bird. Hasten means to hurry. Glade is grove. Kiss of the spray is nothing but water that comes out of the waves and sprinkles. See, if the waves are coming, it's just and it sprinkles on our face or on our body. That's nothing but kiss of the spray. And low sky meets with the sea. The horizon where the sky and the earth, sky, sea and the sky meets. Words is nothing but end. Here is the horizon. Okay, so these are the new words that you will be learning today. See here, this poem we can refer it two themes here. One is about the fisherman itself and about the independence also. We can just relate this one because Sarojini Naidu was the woman who was very much patriotic towards this country, where she showed or showered so much love towards this country. She has written many poets and she sings very beautifully, hence the name, the Nightingale of this country is Sarojini Naidu. Here, Coromandel Fishers is about two themes. One, you can relate directly to the Coromandel Fishers, and others, that is independence theme. When we look at the independence theme, we can just sum up in two sentences, that is, where she's giving a call for the people to wake up and to realize their destination, that we cannot keep on sleeping for the long time. We also have to achieve the success, that is independence. So that she is telling about in Coromandel Fishers. That's the one theme. And when we look for the other theme, it's about the fishers. Just to brief it, here the leader of the fishers is calling for other people, they're like their colleagues or their friends, so that they have to wake up early in the morning and they have to go and catch the fishes, and only that's the mean where they can survive it, and that's the success for them, that they can achieve it, isn't it? That's the one thing. Let me read the first stanza. Rise, brothers, rise, the awakening skies pray to the morning light. Here, the leader of that gang or the leader of the fishers is calling for other people, like their friends or colleagues or other fishers or comrades. Get up, it's already morning. We have to wake up early in the morning, because the sky usually say the sky sleeps in the night and it gets up in the morning only, because when the sky start appearing blue, it means that morning is approaching. So here he's telling the awakening skies pray to the morning light. Here the day, the sun is rising, so we have to get up. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn, like a child that has cried all night. Here it's a simile here, where the child is being compared with the wind, because the child sleeps in the arms of the mother, and the wind sleeps in the arms of the night. And for all the day it has cried and cried, come let us gather our nets from the shores and set our catamarans free. Here he is telling, because when the night is there, people cannot go and they do fishing, so they usually tie the boats. Example, see, if this is a sky, this is ocean. If this is the ocean here, if this is a shore, and here they tie their boats. So that is here the leader is giving a call for their fishermen, that we have to get up and we have to set free the catamarans, so that we can go and we can do the fishing, to capture the leaping wealth of the tide, for we are the sons of the sea. Here he's telling that we ourselves are the sons of the sea. We have to go and we have to look for the survival. We have to free the catamaran, and then we have to capture the fishes. So if we keep on sleeping, we cannot achieve the target. Oh my brothers, get up, we have to go for the fishing, we have to set free the catamaran, and we have to put our nets in the sea, so that we can get so much of wealth. Wealth here is being compared with the fish. So in the next class, we shall discuss other left two stanzas. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me through WhatsApp. Stay home, stay blessed. Bye-bye.